In this section, we will see how SAP BW has evolved over the years. I think it got launched in 1998 with version 1, and then we had version 2 in 2000, and then 3x, which was very popular. 3x version where we had a lot of customer adoption because it was very popular in terms of functionality. And then we had in 2006, I think, we had SP BW 7.0, which was extremely popular as compared to 3x because anyone who has worked on 3x knows it is very tidy and cumbersome as opposed to 7.0 version. So 7.0 also had a lot of adoption because it was very easy to use without update rule or transfer rule. It was very simplified for developers. But now if you see the latest system, you will think how clumsy 7.0 was, but it was very nice for us when we had that system. And then in 2012, SAP diverted towards SAP HANA. In 2010, SAP launched SAP HANA, which was their core database, and going forward, they wanted to move all the systems to SAP HANA. So this was second step, I would say. ECC was something which they wanted to move to HANA, and in 2012, they decided that they will also move SAP BW to SAP HANA. So main idea was to performance optimize, and obviously their vision was to have HANA on all the SAP systems. So that was something which was driving this. And they had some adoption, like 500 clients moved to BW on HANA. Then they further simplified with 7.4 SAP HANA, and then they had 1200 customer moves to that system. And in 2015, they had BW 7.5 SP1 powered by HANA, which was more simplified, more integration features were available, more people moved to SAP on HANA. And in 2016, they decided that they will launch a new product altogether. They logically ended SAP BW 7.5. They said there won't be further investment in that. If someone wants to continue with SAP BW, they need to move to SAP BW4HANA. So this was a big step. They deleted millions of lines and recoded everything. They built this system from scratch with a lot of new functionalities built into the system. So in 2016, it was launched, and then further down the years, they had more enhancement added to the system. And in 2019, they had SAP BW4HANA 2.0. And again, they have continued with new features addition with SP04, which was launched in 2020. And next was SP07, which was launched in December 2020. And we are working in this course with SP07, which is the latest version, which is available right now. So it has a lot of new features. And if you compare with old system of SAP BW, you will find it is fantastic. And it is truly a modern data warehouse system, I would say. Obviously, a lot of things can be improved further, but the idea, the core idea of simplifying everything, you can see that in this product. And as we go along this course, you will see there have been a lot of improvement when we move from SAP BW to SAP BW4HANA. So this was a brief history of SAP BW. You should always know the context, what you are working on, why you are working on. So this has been long journey from 1998, from one version to in 2016 the first version of BW4HANA, and in 2020 SP04 and SP07 with BW4HANA 2.0. So this was brief history of SAP BW. We'll go further in next section. Thank you.